Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 Samachir Kalvi syllabus or matriculation syllabus. Second chapter real numbers. In that exercise 2.6 second subdivision. Simplify the following using multiplication and division property of surds. First one is root 3 into root 5 into root 2. So first sum is root 3 into root 5 into root 2. So here we are having multiplication symbol and the root is power 1 by 2 only. All the root are same here. So we can multiply the numbers that is inside the root. So we can write all these things together. That is whole root of 3 into 5 into 2. So like this we can write. So this is using the multiplication property of surds. Okay, so this is 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So the answer for this is root 30. That's all. Okay, so now second one is root 35 divided by root 7. So this is equal to root 35 divided by root 7. So here also the root is 2 only. Second root only, since both numerator and denominator is having the second root, we can write the numbers inside the root as a common root. Whole root of 35 by 7. So this one 7 5s are 35. So the answer for this is root 5. Okay, so this is the second sum. Then third sum is cube root of 27 into cube root of 8 into cube root of 125. So all the three terms having the cube root only. So we can multiply the numbers that is inside the root together. So cube root of 27 into 8 into 125. So even this one we can write it as cube root of 27 is, if we find the factors of 27, it is 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. So we can write this 27 as 3 cube. Same way we can write this 8 as 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Same way for this 125 also we can write it as 5 power 3. 125 is 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So like this we can write 5 cube. So this is 5 cube. So now all these three things are having cube root. So cube, not cube root, cube we are having. So this is cube root of 3 into 2 into 5 whole cube. So 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 3 into 1 by 3. So when we cancel this, we get the answer for this as 30. Okay. So now next sum is fourth one is 7 root a minus 5 root b into 7 root a plus 5 root b. So this is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So we can use an identity that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So here instead of a we are having 7 root a, b we are having 5 root b. So a is equal to 7 root a and b is equal to 5 root b. Okay, so this is a squared minus b squared. So a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So this we will expand. So 7 7s are 49. Root a the whole square will be a. So 49a minus 5 5s are 25 into b into root b the whole square is b. So 49a minus 25b. This is the answer. Then next one is root 225 by 721. So we know that we have to find the factors of 225. So 5 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, then 5 9s are 45, then 3 3s are 9. So 15 into 15 we will get. That is 5 squared into 3 squared. 5 squared into 3 squared we will get. Okay. Then for 729. So we will try with 3 table. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 8s are 24. 1. Then 3 27s are. Then 3 9s are. Then 3 3s are. So this one is 3 power 6. So 729 is equal to 3 power 6. So 225 is equal to 5 squared into 3 squared. Then for 16 and 81 we know. For 16 it is 4 squared. For 81 it is 9 squared. So now we will substitute all these things. So root of 225 is 15 squared divided by 729 is 3 power 6. Okay. Minus root of 25 is 5 squared divided by 14 is 12 squared divided by root of 4 squared by 9 squared. Okay, so this one is 15 squared. When we remove that, when we bring it out from the root, we will get 15 by 3 power 6 into 1 by 2. So we will get 3 power 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 we will get. Minus, here both the things we are having square only. So we will get 5 by 12. Okay, so this one minus this. Okay, then divided by 4 by 9. Both are square only. So 4 by 9 we get. Okay, so then next step is 15 by 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 5 by 12 into. So this one is divisible by 4 by 9. So into 9 by 4. Okay, so this one we have to take LCM, then it has to be simplified. So for 27 and 12 we will find LCM. So for LCM for this is 108. LCM for this is 108. So 27 into 4. 7 4s are 28 to 108. 27 into 4 is 108. So 15 into 4 is 60. 15 into 4 is 60. So 60 minus 12 9s are 108. So 5 9s are 45. Okay. Into 9 by 4. So 60 minus 45 is 15. 15 by 108 into 9 by 4. So 9 12s are 108. And then 3 4s are 12. 3 5s are 50. So the answer for this is 5 by 4 4s are 60. So 5 by 60 is the answer for this. Okay. I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.